Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium with another video on Shopify stock information for 4th June 2022. Okay, for today NYSE shop is at $353.66 with minus 45.21, minus 11.34% change, and TSX shop is at $445.13 with minus 56.01, minus 11.18% change. So we will also see at volume, that is 5413047 with percentage change is minus 11.34. Intraday high was like $385 and intraday low was $348.27. Today's open is $379.90. So we'll also look at 52 weeks high, that was $1762.92. 52 weeks low was $308.06 and previous close was $398.87. And for TSX shop, intraday high was $484.73, intraday low was $438.74. Today's open is $484.73. 52 weeks high was $2228.73 and 52 weeks low was $402.00. Previous close was $501.14. Okay, we will also look at stock chart. We have already discussed about 52 weeks high and low. That was this amount. Okay, and we will now look at investment calculator for NYSE shop. You will see that if we invested $10,000 in shop, you will get 53.86% annual total return, and in 7 years the ending investment will be 208,009.36. This is the investment chart for 2015 to 2022. And if we also look at TSX shop investment chart with $10,000, that will give us 45.83% annual total return, average annual return, and ending investment will be $142,449.71. That is also for 7 years, 2015 to 2022. So it was good investment. And yes, here you can see the 52 weeks high is 1762 and low is 308. It means that if it's right now at 353, then there is high chance of getting it back towards its 52 weeks high. So this is the best time to invest in Shopify stocks, NYSE shop, and TSX shops. Thanks for watching daily update on Shopify stock for 4th June 2022. Take care. Bye bye.